All right, let's take a look at number 2 for this one. I'm not going to split it up this time. We're just going to look at each part individually. We're not like physically writing it out separately. But if we look at this first part, we have a number times an exponent, or times a variable to an exponent. So that's one of those cases we're going to add 1 to the exponent and divide by the new exponent. So if we add 1 to the exponent, this becomes t cubed. And then we're going to divide by 3. So 15 divided by 3, we get 5. 5t cubed is the antiderivative of 15t squared. And again, easy way to check it. What's the derivative of 5t cubed? Well, you'd bring the 3 out, subtract 1, you get 15t squared. Right, our next one, same thing. We have a minus here. We're going to add 1 to the exponent, so it becomes t squared. Divide by 2, so we get minus 4t squared. And derivative of negative 4t squared is negative 8t. Last one, when it's just a constant, antiderivative of that is going to be the constant times our variable. So 2t, and we have plus c. All right. For number 3, this one doesn't quite look like 1 and 2. So in a lot of cases, we're going to have to rewrite things so that they do look like 1 and 2, where it's just a number times a variable to an exponent, plus another term that's similar. So with number 3, we can rewrite this. This is the same as the antiderivative of z to the negative 4th minus 4z to the negative 2nd dz. All right, so we may need to take that step and rewrite it first so it's in that format. Right, the same format we were used to for taking derivatives of polynomial type functions. All right, so z to the negative 4th, we're going to add 1 to that exponent. So we get z to the negative 3. And then we're dividing by negative 3. Or you can think of it as multiplying by the reciprocal. So it's like having negative 1/3 out in front times z to the negative 3rd. Then for our next one, we're adding 1 to the exponent. So we get z to the negative 1st. Divided by negative 1. So negative 4 divided by negative 1, we get a positive 4. And then plus c, we need to remember at the end. So represent all the possibilities.